know the feeling of being nervous before an exam? Then you're not alone. Test anxiety is a problem for many students. Test anxiety is often a cause of lower grades because you are unable to do your best. But we have the solution: Retardant Timiditas.
I would recommend Retardant Timiditas to students who suffer from test anxiety. Research has shown that it's a big problem in the US, and it's about 25% who end in this situation. This medicine helps you to stay focused and relaxed before and during the test.
Retardant Timiditas is now available as OTC medicine for only $10. It will help you stamp out your test anxiety and improve your results. Retardant Timiditas, a better way to a better future.